So it's June 20th. This is my Russian Riverview mulberry tree. It's quite productive. I did a review last year about it. Most Russian seedlings are used for rootstock, but this one tastes quite good. Let me see. They're starting to ripen up, and I think this one is asking me to eat it. So they actually get a little bit bigger than this, but but I'm gonna eat it now before the bird come anyways. But it is different than Geraldine. I don't know if I pronounced that right. Don't hit me if I don't. But it's not as productive, let's say, as the Gerardi Dwarf. I don't think this is a dwarf variety, but it is very cold hardy to zone 6 or 5 if I remember correctly. So just a quick update since last year about the Russian Riverview mulberry, since there isn't much info on it. Well, I hope you enjoy this short video.